Most homeowners are unaware that a clogged dryer vent is one of the main reasons why dryers stop working properly. In addition, a clogged dryer vent is a major fire hazard and one of the leading causes of home fires, attributing to over 15,000 home fires annually. Fortunately, a dryer vent cleaning and inspection from Cool Clean Services can prevent these problems, and that is what our nationally certified technicians are trained to do. We are fully bonded and insured, and one of only 4 companies in NYC and Long Island certified through the only nationally recognized credential for dryer vent cleaning through the Chimney Safety Institute of America. So, if your clothes are taking longer to dry, your dryer is not heating up like it used to, you want to lower your power bill and extend the life of your dryer, and most importantly, protect your family and home from a fire, call Cool Clean Services today.